If SD of 1, 2, 3 till 10 is S, then the SD of 11, 12, 13 to till 20 is option A sigma plus 10, option B 10 sigma, option C sigma, option D sigma upon 10. For the solution is, if mu is equal to A plus bx, then sigma mu is equal to b into sigma x. Therefore, mu is equal to 10 plus x. Therefore, sigma mu is equal to sigma x is equal to sigma. For option C is correct. If n is equal to 10, x is equal to 12, summation x square is equal to 1530, then the coefficient of variation is option A 36%, option B 41%, option C 25%, option D none of these. Therefore, the solution is, formula for that is sigma is equal to summation x square upon n minus x bar the whole square, that is equal to root of 1530 upon 10 minus 12 square is equal to root 9 equal to 3. Therefore CV is equal to sigma upon x into 100, that is equal to 3 upon 12 into 100, that is equal to 25%. Therefore option C is correct. Coefficients of variation of two series are 58% and 69%. If their SDs are 21.2 and 15.6 respectively, then their respective means are option A 36.6, 22.6, option B 34.8, 22.6, option C 36.6, 24.4, option D none of these. Therefore the solution is, since CV is equal to sigma upon x into 100, therefore x1 bar is equal to sigma 1 upon CV1 into 100, that is equal to 21.2 upon 58 into 100 is equal to 36.6. x2 bar is equal to sigma 2 upon CV2 200 is equal to 15.6 upon 69 200 is equal to 22.6. Therefore option A is correct. Sum of squares of deviations from 10 observations taken from one mean 50 is 250, then the coefficient of variation is option A 10%, option B 40%, option C 50%, option D none of these. The solution is, sigma is equal to summation x minus 50 the whole square upon n is equal to root of 250 upon 10 is equal to 5. Therefore CV is equal to sigma upon x into 100, that is equal to 5 upon 50 into 100 equal to 10%. Therefore option A is correct. The variance of first n natural numbers is option A n square plus 1 by 12, option B n square minus 1 by 12, option C n plus 1 2n plus 1 by sigma, option D none of these. For the solution is, Vx is equal to sigma square x is equal to 1 upon n into n summation I is equal to 1 xi square minus 1 upon n into n summation I is equal to 1 xi the whole square, where xi is equal to I. Therefore 1 upon n into n summation I is equal to 1 I square minus 1 upon n into n summation I is equal to 1 I the whole raised to n is equal to 1 upon n 1 square plus 2 square plus till n square minus 1 upon n into n plus 1 upon 2 raised to n, that is equal to 1 upon n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon sigma minus n plus 1 the whole square by 4 is equal to n square plus 1 by 12. For option A is correct. Mean deviation of the series a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d till a plus 2nd from its mean is option A n plus 1d upon 2n plus 1, option B nd upon 2n plus 1, option C n plus 1d upon 2n plus 1, option D 2n plus 1d upon n plus 1. Therefore the solution is, as we know, the series is a plus d, a plus 2d. Therefore x bar is equal to 2n plus 1 by 2 a plus 2 nd upon 2n plus 1, that is equal to a plus nd. Therefore summation x minus x bar is equal to 2d 1 plus 2 plus till n is equal to n plus 1d. Therefore mean deviation is equal to n plus 1 d upon 2n plus 1. Therefore option C is correct. If any discrete series of distinct values, the relation between MD about mean and SD is option A MD is equal to SD, option B MD is greater than equal to SD, option C MD is smaller than SD, option D MD is smaller than equal to SD. Therefore the solution is, so we know where summation Fi is equal to n, then SD x square is equal to 1 upon n summation Fi x I minus x bar the whole square. MD x the whole square is equal to 1 upon n summation Fi xi minus x bar the whole square. Put Zi is equal to xi minus x bar. Therefore SD of square x minus MD square x is equal to 1 upon n summation Fi Zi square minus 1 upon n summation Fi Zi the whole square is equal to SD of square x is greater than equal to 0. Therefore SD of x is greater than equal to MD of x. Therefore option D is correct. A sample of 35 observations has mean equal to 80 and SD is equal to 4. A second of 65 observations from the same population has mean equal to 70 and SD equal to 3. Then SD of the combined sample is option A 5.85, option B 5.58, option C 3.42, option D none of these. Therefore the solution is, we know n1 is equal to 35, x1 bar is equal to 80, sigma 1 is equal to 4, n2 is equal to 65, x2 bar is equal to 70, sigma 2 is equal to 3. Therefore x1 2 bar is equal to n1 x1 plus n2 x2 upon n1 plus n2. Substitute the values, we get 35 80 plus 65 70 upon 35 plus 65 is equal to 73.5, that is approx 74. Therefore sigma 1 2 is equal to root of 35 16 plus 42 into 25 plus 65 9 plus 12 into 25 upon 100, that is equal to root of 34.21, that is equal to 5.85. Therefore option A is correct. If MD is equal to 12, SD is equal to question mark. Therefore, option A is 12, option B 15, option C 24, option D 27. Therefore, the solution is empirical formula for MD is 4 by 5 SD. Therefore, SD is equal to 5 by 4 MD. That is equal to 5 by 4 into 12 is equal to 15. In an experiment with 15 observations on X, following results were available. Submission X is equal to 170 and submission X square is equal to 2830. One observation, that was 20, was found to be wrong and was replaced by the correct value 30. Then the correct value 30. Option A is 78, option B 188.66, option C 177.33, option D 8.33. Therefore, the solution is, we have given n is equal to 15, submission x is equal to 170, submission x square is equal to 2830. Since 20 was replaced by 13, new summation x is equal to 170 minus 20 plus 30 is equal to 180. New summation x square is equal to 2830 minus 20 square plus 30 square is equal to 3330. Therefore, variance is equal to sigma square is equal to 1 upon n summation x square minus 1 upon n to summation x the whole square is equal to 1 upon 15 3330 minus 1 upon 15 into 180 the whole square, that is equal to 3330 minus 15 into 144 upon 15, that is equal to 1170 upon 15 is equal to 78. Therefore, option A is correct. In a series of 2n observations, half of them equal A and the remaining half equal minus A. If SD is equal to 2, then mod of A is equal to option A 2, option B root 2, option C 1 by n, option D root 2 upon n. Therefore, the solution is, let x1 equal to x2 till xn equal to A and xn plus 1 till equal to x2n be minus A. Therefore, submission x1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x bar is equal to 0 and standard deviation is also equal to 2. Since SD is equal to root of submission x minus x bar the whole square upon 2n, that is equal to root of summation x square upon 2n minus x bar whole square, that is equal to a square plus a square plus till 2n times minus 0 square upon 2n is equal to root of 2n a square upon 2n is equal to root of a square equal to mod of a equal to 2. Therefore, option A is correct. Suppose values x1, x2 till xn taken by a variable x are such that a is smaller than equal to x, smaller than equal to b, I is equal to 1 to n, then option A v of x is smaller than equal to b minus a the whole square, option B 4 into v of x smaller than equal to a square, option C a square smaller than equal to v of x smaller than equal to b square, option D a is smaller than equal to v of x smaller than equal to b. Therefore, the solution is, since SD is smaller than equal to range, therefore SD is smaller than equal to b minus a. Therefore, v of x is equal to SD square smaller than equal to B minus A the whole square. Therefore, answer A is correct. If x and y are two related variables such that 0.5x plus 0.4y plus 2 is equal to 0, then find the relation between Rx range of x and Ry range of y. Option A 5Rx is equal to 4Ry. Option B 4Rx is equal to 5Ry. Option C 0.4Rx is equal to 0.5Ry. Option D Rx is equal to Ry. Therefore, the solution is, as we have given 0.5x plus 0.4y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we keep 0.4y on the left hand side and take 0.5x on the right hand side minus 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus 0.5x upon 0.4 minus 2 upon 0.4. For y is equal to 5 by 4. Mod of y is equal to 5 upon 4. Mod of b is equal to 5 by 4. For ry is equal to rx mod of 5 by 4, that is equal to 4ry equal to 5rx. Therefore, option A is correct. Mean deviation from mean for the following set of values 10, 14, 7, 9, 4, 16 is option A 3.97, option B 4, option C 3.33, option D none of these. Therefore, the solution is mean is equal to summation x upon n is equal to 60 by 6 equal to 10. Therefore, x bar is equal to 10. Summation mod of xi minus x bar is equal to 20. MD of x bar is equal to summation xi minus x bar upon n is equal to 20 by 6 equal to 3.3333. Therefore, option C is correct. The coefficient of MD from median for the following set 150, 151, 152, 156, 154, 160, 158 is option A 2.86, option B 0.19, option C 0.019, option D 28.6. Therefore, solution is median is equal to 154. Mean deviation median is equal to 2.86. Therefore, coefficient is equal to 2.86 divided by 154, that is equal to 0.019.
The mean deviation of the data 3, 10, 10, 4, 7, 10, 5 from the mean is A 2, B 2.57, C 3 or D 3.75. So we have here x bar is equal to 1 by n summation of x of I, which is equal to 49 by 7, which is equal to 7. Now the mean deviation of x bar is 1 by n summation of I is equal to 1 till n mod of xi minus x bar, which is 18 by 7, which is 2.57, or option B.
The sum of 10 items is 12 and the sum of their squares is 16.9. Then SD is option A 0.05, option B 0.5, option C 0.005, option D 5. Therefore, the solution is, as we have given, summation x is equal to 12, summation x square is equal to 16.9, and n is equal to 10. Therefore, SD is equal to root of summation x square upon n minus summation x upon n the whole square, that is equal to 16.9 whole square upon 9 on 10 minus 12 by 10 the whole square. Therefore, by calculating we get 0.5. Therefore, option B is correct. If u is equal to y minus 5 by 2, comma v bar is equal to 10 and sigma v is equal to 2, then value of y bar and sigma y are option A 4 and 25, option B 2.5 and 1, option C 25 and 4, option D 1 and 2.5. Therefore, the solution is 2vy is equal to y minus 5. Therefore, y bar is equal to 2v bar plus 5. By substituting the values of v bar, we get the answer 25. After that, therefore, sigma y is equal to sigma v into 2. That is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, option C is correct. The standard deviation of the following marks minus 85, 87, 60, 67, 80, 83, 15. Therefore, option A is 25, option B 24, option C 23.582, option D none of these. Therefore, the solution is, as we have given, summation x is equal to 477, summation x square is equal to 36397, n is equal to 7. Therefore, SD is equal to root of summation x square by n minus summation x by n the whole square. By substituting the values, we get the answer. The answer as option C. The ages of 5 persons on their last birthday in the year 2005 was 19, 9, 12, 15, 50. Therefore, the mean and the variance of the ages are option A 21 and 221.2, option B 221.2 and 221, option C 21 and 232, option D 232 and 21. Therefore, the solution is summation x is equal to 105, summation x square is equal to 3311. Therefore, variance is equal to summation x square upon n minus summation x upon n the whole square. By substituting the values, we get as the answer 21 and 21.2. So option A is correct.
The variance for the following frequency distribution, the table is given here, is 1.89, B 3.56, C 4.57 and D 2.34. Therefore, we calculate x bar is equal to summation of fi xi upon summation fi, which is equal to 52 by 10, which gives us 5.2. Now the variance is equal to 1 by n summation fi xi minus x bar the whole square, which is equal to 35.6 by 10, which is equal to 3.56, option B. The standard deviation of the data 6, 5, 9, 13, 12, 8, 10 is root 52 by 7, B 52 by 7, C root 6 and D 6. Therefore, we as the formula of standard deviation, we have root of 1 by n summation of I is equal to 1 till n x of I the whole square minus x bar the whole square, which is equal to root of 619 minus 567 by 7, which is equal to root of 52 by 7. Option A. The standard deviation of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is root of 35 by 12, B 3, C root 3, and D 35 by 12. Therefore, SD is equal to sigma, which is its symbol, is equal to root of 1 by n summation of xi square minus x bar the whole square. Substituting the values, we get 1 by 6 into 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 36 minus 49 by 4, the whole root. Therefore, we get root of 91 by 6 minus 49 by 4, which we get 182 minus 147 by 12. Solving the numerator, we get root of 35 by 12, which is option A.
SD of x is equal to 3. Therefore, SD of 3 minus 2x is option A minus 3, option B minus 6, option C 3, option D 6. Therefore, the solution is sigma y is equal to sigma x mod b. Mod b is equal to minus 2. That is equal to 2. Therefore, sigma y is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, option D is correct. SD of x is equal to 5. Variance of 7x plus 3 is option A 1225, option B 38, option C 175, option D 35. Therefore, the solution is y is equal to 7x plus 3. Sigma y is equal to mod of b into sigma x. Therefore, sigma y is equal to 35. Therefore, sigma y square is equal to 1225. Therefore, option A is correct. Variance of x is equal to 36. Therefore, variance of y when 3x plus 4y is equal to 20 is option A 27, option B minus 27, option C 20.25, option D 729. Therefore, the solution is sigma x is equal to 6, sigma y is equal to sigma x mod of b. Therefore, 6 into 3 by 4 is equal to 4.5. Variance is equal to sigma x square, that is 4.5 the whole square, that is equal to 20.25. Therefore, option C is correct. Coefficient of range of the data 41, 20, 15, 65, 73, 84, 53, 35, 71, 55 is option A 0.696, option B 0.69, option C 0.686, option D none of these. Therefore, the solution is, as we know, L is equal to 84, S is equal to 15. Therefore, coefficient of range is equal to L minus S upon L plus S. So by calculating, we get 0.696. Therefore, option A is correct. Mean deviation from the mean for the set of observations -1, 0, 4 is A smaller than 3, option B smaller than 1, option C greater than 2.5, option D greater than 4.9. Therefore, the solution is x bar is equal to minus 1 plus 0 plus 4 divided by 3, that is equal to 1. Therefore mean deviation is equal to 1 by n into summation xi minus m is equal to, as we know, by substituting the values we get the form answer as 2. Therefore option A is correct. Variance of the data 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is option A 6, option B 7, option C 8, option D none of these. Therefore the solution is x bar equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 divided by 5 is equal to 30 divided by 5 is equal to 40. Therefore summation x minus x bar the whole square is equal to 4 square plus 2 square plus 0 square plus 2 square plus 4 square is equal to 40. Therefore sigma square is equal to summation x minus x bar the whole square upon n is equal to 40 by 5 equal to 8. Therefore option C is correct.
Question 80. If the coefficient of variance and the standard deviation of distribution are 50 and 20 respectively, then its mean is, we have CV, that is coefficient of variance, equal to 50 and the standard deviation is equal to 20. So coefficient of variance can be written as standard deviation of mean mod into 100. Substituting the value, we get 50 is equal to 20 by mean into 100. For the solving this, we get mean mod equal to 20 by 50 into 100, which is, we get mean is equal to 40, which our answer matches with option A. Therefore option A is the correct answer.